So guys, we are actually traveling now to another waterfall location in a town near where? Kehada, you can actually see. So in Gitigidi or the Grout or something. So I am guessing from my Google Maps. I usually use Google Maps a lot. So I'm guessing at a location Kagongo waterfall. We are going to find some 2 waterfalls there because hizi zingine zimabounce. So guys, so tuende sasa. Tuko town inaitwa Kamakwa town. So let's proceed. This is actually my first time here, so let's guys proceed. So tulikuwa tumepotea njia kidogo, tunaingia na hiyo ya njia ya Kenunga. So Paradise Farm Shama Academy PCA Huhoine Parish. Yes, so that is a famous Nyeri Hill. With hiyo place jaienda. That steep hill, so it's a forest actually. So let's head this way and try and locate waterfalls. So we are hoping that these ones we will be safe. And yes, it's our hope that we'll be able to find the waterfalls. And mazee itutoe tu uoga, maybe tuko excited tusahau hata tulikuwa tunapitia mashida hapo mbeleni. So guys, let's keep moving. So here there is big deep valleys, and we are actually moving at a very slow pace because one mistake can be deadly. You can see a river down there. So we are actually trying to scale up the road so that we can try and access whether there is a waterfall above this place, because I believe there is either 1 or 2 waterfalls in this area. So guys, let's keep moving. Kwa nini? Saseni, mko poa? So here we are back on the road again. So and tumebahatika kupata one guy who is going to help us even see one waterfall. And so tutaambia anaitwa nani, and then so ndio tunataka kushuka tuende tuone waterfall, and I hope it's one gorgeous waterfall. Of course it is, and we are going to like it. So let's walk down to the river and tuone waterfall. Yes. Hey, maze, tumefika hapo. Tukapatana na maboi 6. Sijui 4 wanajifanya wanakura mapera. Tukaona hapana. Hii hapana. Lakini unajua kuna msee alikuwa ametuambia. Alikuwa ametuona. Tukakataa kusikia. Juu kuna boy alikuwa ametuona bike, lakini alikuwa ametuona hiyo waterfall ya Kaguka. Alikuwa ametuona ya Kashosho, alikuwa ametuambia Kaguka iko safe. Tuende na tusiogope. Noma, hatujaiona. I think nimeona tu kipat, but ilikuwa risky. Hii ni mto moja inapika kona. Na pale panakaa deep. Sasa we Steve kwenyu ni hapo sasa tumekupata. Hapo chini. Ate ihwa. Imetoka. So at this particular point tunasikia waterfall, the sound of the waterfall. So actually ndio hii hapa. So it's the start. So let's see if we are going to rocket it nicely. So Steve, this waterfall for me is number 108 kuona waterfalls. 100 and sio leo like yes, it's 108 and it's quite special. No, in Kenya. In Kenya and it actually feels nice. But hii place inakaa forest hivi and wow. Mazee inakaa fiti. Wazungu walikuwa watafuta nini? So walikuja 2017.
So kuna ile ingine iko na huko juu inasemekana iko na maji yake. Sasa hiyo first watu wote kwa hiyo wanasema hapa inakaa maji yake kwa mahali maji hapa inafikia. Alafu tena kuna dana kana watano wao iko na hapa. Dana na maji hapa inafikia. Lakini juu huwezi inakaa sana kama na nimeona inakaa getidi of the ground or something. Hapo chini. Na nikiangalia from the Google Maps, I have actually seen that kuna mahali this river is not continuing. It looks like.
Yes. As in inaenda chini. Shit, I wish I had time. As in, oh my goodness. I think so. For the day, this was my first waterfall before we visited other two waterfalls with Steve. And actually Steve was a pretty nice guy. He's a very cool guy that I met, and he actually had to abandon. He was actually going to work, guys. Just remember in the video he just said that he works at Chania River as a watchman. So he had to call his boss and extend his time to accommodate me. But yes, that's what he did. And for him to take us to the two other waterfalls, and we actually drove him to where he works, so we left him there, guys. Yes, Steve was a nice guy, and in all my waterfall visit, I will remember him, guys. Steve saved my day because we had a very difficult day being tried to be robbed by those guys. And yes, he made our day nice and pretty by showing me 2-3 other waterfalls. So yes, so it was just a nice day with Steve, and I really enjoyed for him taking us to these wonderful places, guys. So I just forgot to tell you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we bring you more waterfall content, guys, because these waterfalls have interesting stories to showcase to the world, guys, in Kenya and even international. As you have heard from Steve that there are tourists, foreign tourists who come to these waterfalls. So nyinyi mko wapi? you just come and see these waterfalls for yourself, guys. So yes, I'm encouraging everybody to embrace waterfall tourism, and whenever you are at Nyeri County, come and visit these waterfalls, guys. They are here for you, they are waiting for you. So come, guys, and join in the waterfall hunt. So that's Steving over there. For me, it's not really, but wow, just look at that picture. This was our second waterfall visit on the same river. Remember, this is still River Chania, guys. So this is Kagongo 3 waterfall, and we didn't stay much here because we needed to rush to the other waterfall. But this waterfall was just picture perfect, a perfect brook waterfall, guys. Whoa, guys, so we are actually going to the third waterfall of the day, and you can actually hear it roaring so hard that we are quite a distance and we can still hear it. So Steve is actually telling me that these are much bigger waterfall than the two previous ones, so let's head out and check these waterfalls. It's getting dark, guys. So we are in a bit hurry, so don't mind the shaky video, but we are hoping that we have another surprise of the day, guys. Oh, oh my goodness. Wow. I mean, this has caught me off guard. This is one amazing waterfall. What? Hi, yeah. This is a trophy. So guys, this is Degwa waterfall. So this is a waterfall that we will later visit with NTC 20 crew. Unajua Esfandora? Yes, that guy who showcases NTC 20 show on Sunday at 8 p.m. So guys, we will meet up with Degwa in the next waterfall visit with Nation. Yes, so this waterfall is one that I was told has a map on top
ati
of
sasa
the
hiyo
waterfall.
ngoja inakuwa sasa hiyo map ya Afrika iko wapi hasa?
I will do part 3 of my water visits in Nyeri. I will showcase for you how we were able to travel to this waterfall again, but Steve was not there because at that time he was on duty, so he didn't make it to come to visit the waterfall. But we met a grandson who is a 43-year-old man who stays at this place, and he taught us how to fish, and he actually took us to the place where it has a map of Africa. It's true, it has a map of Africa. So wait for the part 3 of my waterfall visit, whereby I will be able to show you how that place actually looks like. So this is one waterfall that has to be on the map of Kenya because it is a mind-blowing waterfall, and for the case that it has a map of Africa embedded on the rocks, guys. You won't believe it. You actually won't believe it. Yes, it looks 95% of it looks like a map of Africa. So wait for the part 3 of this waterfall, and remember, visit waterfall wherever you are free. Yes, you just have to learn so much about waterfalls, about its significance in our colonialism, where the Maubau people used to hide the cultural activities that used to happen at waterfall. And I always say about mental health and physical health, because your body tends to get tired and sweat, and still mental health is that it gives one peace of mind wherever you are traveling, whether it's a short distance or a long distance, but you have to have so many benefits wherever you are visiting waterfalls. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can bring you more waterfall content any day. I usually travel a lot to visit these hidden gems wherever they are. So guys, stay tuned, and remember to stay safe wherever you are, and don't forget to visit a waterfall, and join me in my other social media platforms: TikTok, Williams Expedition, and still at Instagram, Williams Waterfall Kenya. Yes guys, and remember my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe guys. So see you on the next waterfall visit, and stay tuned to this waterfall channel guys.